Honourable Deputy Speaker, neither the proposer of this debate nor the ANC spoke on the topic of this debate. The topic of this debate is supposed to be the state of our nation, what went wrong and what must be done to fix it. Now, if we can't even agree on the state of the nation, how on earth are we going to address what needs to be done? The first speaker on behalf of the ANC, the Honourable Tseke, if one listens to her, everything seems to be absolutely perfect and there are no problems. However, if she listened to what her own president had to say in Germany today, she would completely understand that it's exactly the opposite. President Ramaphosa today said in Germany that we've seen a decline in South Africa during the last 9 years. We saw a decline in governance. We saw a weakening of our institutions. We saw an increase in corruption, rampant corruption. We saw an increase in unemployment. We saw the figures today. And we've got a lack of growth. Crime is out of control. I'm not aware of one single thing that the ANC government touched since 1994 that does not need a turnaround strategy. Go and give me a list of what you've touched that does not need a turnaround strategy. I'm waiting for that list. South Africa's got rampant racism at the moment. We have daily strikes by the trade unions and unprotected strikes. We experience daily protests. We see the collapse of municipalities. We see the collapse of services. What went wrong? What went wrong? Look at the Constitution. Let's take that as a point of departure. Section 83C of the Constitution gives us a clear indication of what is expected of the President of the Republic, who has also been the President of the ruling party. And the President is supposed to do, he should promote the unity of the nation and that which will advance the Republic. The problem being that since 1999, the presidents of the ANC and the presidents of the country has been advancing the unity of the ANC and not the unity of the nation. And you are failing in that respect as well. The problem being this: if you look at the interim constitution, and I would really recommend that members go and have a look at that again. The interim constitution ends with a post-amble. Go and read that. And then it clearly says what we need in South Africa is understanding, but not vengeance. Oh boy, we do have vengeance now. It says we should have reparation, not retaliation. We've got retaliation again. It says we should have Ubuntu, we should not have victimization. We have victimization, unjust treatment against minorities in South Africa and other groups in South Africa. We experience that daily. So obviously it's quite clear that the ruling party failed in South Africa. What went wrong? The fact that the ANC is the government in South Africa, that went wrong. How do we address that? How do we address that? By getting rid of the ANC. The fact of the matter is, you create the impression that things are going to change. You were all involved in what we've experienced in the last 24 years. You were part of that. You protected it. You defended it. It's time at the election next year to get rid of this whole lot.